This delicious slow cooker Tuscan chicken is all about making your dinners tastier and your life easier. We've got juicy chicken breasts smothered in a creamy, rich tomato-based sauce with sweet onions, a pop of cherry tomatoes, a good glug of white wine, and plenty of Italian herbs and seasonings like sun-dried tomato pesto for that extra flavor hit. The slow cooker does all the heavy lifting so you can kick back and relax, knowing that there's going to be an absolutely delicious pot of food for your dinner. Sounds good? This is how you make it. For prep, the first thing to do is chop up one red onion and set that aside, and then we're going to make a wee marinade for the chicken. We're going to add in some paprika, mixed herbs, onion granules, garlic powder, along with some black pepper, and then we're going to add in olive oil and water. Now you just want to mix all that through and give it at least half an hour in the fridge. The longer the better, but half an hour is fine. And then from there, we're going to fry that in a pan with a little bit of olive oil. You don't need to cook these until they're fully cooked through. That will happen in the slow cooker, just enough so you get some color on them. Pop them in the slow cooker and then add your onion to the same pan and fry that until it's softened. Add your garlic and your cherry tomatoes and give them a few more minutes until the garlic is cooked. Make sure you don't burn it. And then add in your white wine, and you want to just simmer this, scrape all the bits off the bottom until it pretty much is completely evaporated. Then tip that into the slow cooker, and then we're adding the final ingredients, which are sun-dried tomato pesto, some corn flour to help thicken things, a half teaspoon of salt, and 200 mils of chicken stock. Then mix all of that through, pop the lid on it, give it about 3.5 hours on low. Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favor to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe. After 3.5 hours, add in some double cream along with 50 grams of cheddar cheese and lots of spinach. Now this may seem like a load of spinach, but don't worry, it will wilt away to nothing as you're about to see. Hey presto, there we go. And give that a further 30 minutes just to allow everything to heat up, and then plate it up. Garnish with some fresh basil, and again just drizzle that sauce over on top. You can serve this with potatoes, pasta, rice. It's really versatile and it's absolutely delicious, and I hope you love it. So there we have it, slow cooker Tuscan chicken. Now you will be rewarded if you make this one, because I know there's a little bit more prep than maybe you're used to with some slow cooker dishes, but trust me, it is 100% worth it. It is so rich and just tastes amazing, and you could serve this at a dinner party. It's not just a midweeker. It's a bit fancier than that. Anyway, all you need to do now is cook it yourself. Let me know what you think. And if you'd like the full recipe along with serving sizes and macros and calories and so on, you can get it inside my Food for Fitness recipes app. If you just click the link below in the description, you can download it right now on Android and Apple devices. And you get this recipe and about 300 others. Anyway, I'm off to go and eat some. I'll speak to you later.